Hello everyone. Today we have Mihir here with us. इन्होंने MHCT 3 year LLB एग्जाम जो है वो क्रैक कर लिया है और इनका एडमिशन न्यू लॉ कॉलेज ऑफ भारतीय विद्यापीठ दैट इज इन पुणे वहां पे उनका एडमिशन कंफर्म हो गया है. उन्होंने BVP CET एंट्रेंस एग्जाम भी दिया था जहां पे इनका रैंक जो है वो ऑल अक्रॉस द एग्जामिनेशन 50th आया था. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मिहिर ऑन गेटिंग इनटू वन ऑफ द top and well-known law colleges across Maharashtra.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
ओके सो मिहिर, घर वालों का क्या रिएक्शन था व्हेन दे केम टू नो कि अब आपका एडमिशन फाइनली कंप्लीट हो चुका है?
Yeah, they were pretty much happy actually. Mixed feelings. I'm a single child, so a bit of emotional also. Ki finally, I have to leave my hometown and shift to Pune. So yeah, they were a bit hesitant, but yeah, they heard a few good things about this college, and overall my score and my performance was good. So they tried,
Okay, great,
and
great.
they were pretty much proud of me as well.
Of course, everyone is proud of you because getting into one of the top law colleges in such a level of competition is a little tough, and you have cracked it.
Yeah,
So I think it is a moment of proud for your parents and us as well. So congratulations on this.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So Mihir, when did you decide that you want to pursue law as your career?
Ma'am, actually, from the very beginning, I decided to pursue CS Company Secretary course. And while pursuing it, I thought that it would be nice if uh, the blend of CS and law is a very prestigious one, and it is very demanded in the current industry. So I did try it. So yeah, I want actually I already filed the form for become honest. So after that, I tried to do the 3 year LLB course. And with CS, it seems to be a lot more easier other than others to pursue law because most of the things I have read, learned in CS. So it did help me.
ओके फाइन. सो मिहिर, ये एग्जाम जब आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे व्हाइल गिविंग द लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, आपने क्या स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करी थी इस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए?
Ma'am, every exam has its own view of attempting it and of pursuing it. So in CS, we have to complete all the complete syllabus and have a practical, thorough practical knowledge. So that it's a very different ball game when it's come to MCQ because yeah, other current affairs and GK, English, they are all a different part of game. So I did try. I actually tried to keep my consistency. मतलब, as in when I was getting the chance, I was keeping myself updated with the current affairs. I was solving a little bit of case studies of law and yeah, reading Wayne and Martin as and when I get the time from CS. It did help.
डेफिनेटली. ओके ग्रेट. एंड व्हाइल सॉल्विंग द पेपर आपने कोई स्ट्रैटेजी पर्टिकुलरली फॉलो करी थी बिकॉज यहाँ पे द एग्जाम कम्स विद द टाइम लिमिट. सो डिड यू फॉलो एनी स्ट्रैटेजी ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम?
Yeah, ma'am, actually, I think so that my strong point will be law when while attempting the paper because I have been studying it for quite a few years now. So I did try first to boost. I tried to boost my confidence by attempting first part first. It was quite easy. So I did try it, then appeared for law paper, and then uh, logical reasoning was also quite easy as compared to what I prepared. So yeah, as in as in when the part went ahead, my confidence also keep higher. My confidence also boost up. So yeah, I'm actually I tried ki I attempt English section for the very last because I did expect there would be lots of definitions, meanings, jumbled words. So yeah, I did try to pehle I boost my confidence, then I attempt those questions.
ओके ग्रेट सो आई थिंक यस दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर ऑल द व्यूअर्स कि जब भी आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो
Yeah.
जो भी सेक्शन में आपको कॉन्फिडेंस है वो सेक्शन पहले देना चाहिए जिसमें आपका प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छा हुआ है सो दैट आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी मिले साथ ही साथ जब आप क्वेश्चंस जो है जो आपको पार्ट आता है जो आप सेक्शन में प्रैक्टिस कर चुके हो तो वो आपका क्विकली सॉल्व होता है कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ अदर सेक्शंस सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मिहिर and I think this strategy helped you to clear also one of the competitive exams.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Mihir, just one more question for you कि आप कोई टिप देना चाहोगे फ्यूचर लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स को?
Law is a very good field. मतलब, it's all about our surroundings. You should know about your surroundings. You should know your nature. It's just like that. You should know your rights. And as and when our economy is increasing, so there are very chances that we will have a very bright future. AI can't replace us.
Correct.
That's the very most important thing. And yeah, matlab, while attempting the paper also, a very simple strategy should be followed of divide and rule. The questions which you know, you should attempt it first, then move on. Keep the hard questions for the last time. At least try and attempt those questions in which you have a complete command or you have complete faith in yourself that you can attempt it. And yeah, and at the end, it will went well.
Okay. Okay, fine Mihir. So thank you so much for this. I think this will be really helpful जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और फ्यूचर में लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देखने के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं या प्रिपरेशन ऑलरेडी उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दी है. So thank you for this and Mihir, Be EduCARE family wishes you all the very best for your career. May you have a very bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.